Last year, the average cost of the cyber attack on a mid-sized business is worth $4.5 million. Not for the Fortune 500, for a business like yours. Nobody tells the CEO they were thought they were protected. They were not. Cyber threat used to be IT problem, something they delegated and forget about. That's no longer true. Ransomware, data breach, social engineering. These are now boardroom conversation because when a breach happens, it's not just your system go down, your operations, your system, your share price, your customer trust. And the question every C-suite leader should be asking isn't will we get attacked? It's when we do, are we covered? The insurance is a financially safety net, especially designed for the digital threat. A good policy covers three things. First, legal fees, notification to customer, breach without a response plan can cost double. Second, business interruption. If your system go down for 48 hours, what does that cost you? Cyber insurance cover lost revenue during that window. Liability. If your customer data is breached, you are potentially liable. A policy cover from the third party claim and the regulatory fine. Think of like this. If you have a DNO policy who protect your leadership decision, cyber insurance protect your digital decision. Here's where most executives get it wrong. Step 1. Assuming your general liability cover cyber insurance. It certainly doesn't. Standard P&C policy have explicit cyber insurance exclusion. Step 2. Buying a policy and never reading their sublimit exclusion waiting period. These details actually decide whether you get it paid after a claim. Mistake number 3. Treating it as a checkbox, not a strategy. Best use of cyber insurance is just a payout. It's a risk assessment process that comes with it. Insurer will tell you exactly where your vulnerabilities are. CEO who handle the cyber incident best have three things in place before anything happens. 1. A policy actually get it reviewed by legal and IT team together, not just sign off by financial. 2. A incident response plan. Everyone should know in leadership team. 3. A cyber insurance partner should act like advisor, not just a policy vendor. This isn't about paranoid, it's about being prepared. Cyber risk is now as a business risk, and business risk is your responsibility as a leader. You haven't reviewed your cyber coverage in last 12 months. The first thing I would put on your agenda in this way. If you found this useful, please subscribe. We cover a insurance decision that actually matter a business leaders. Drop a comment. What's the one cyber risk keeping you up at night? I read everyone.